Y'all know what this might be? It's wild, and we've let it go here, and we baby it because we like it. I'd never seen it before. I discovered it here in the corner of the yard. This used to be woods here, but what it is the common name is mayapple, also known as American mandrake. It gets a beautiful little white flower underneath it. In fact, I get one flower and you can see the bud right there. I believe, as I recall, it's a white flower with a yellow center. And you got to get up underneath them to get a picture. You don't see them; they're just hidden. But it's a neat plant. Kind of fragile. Dogs run through them once in a while, and they're done for the year if the dog runs through them. But these dogs, they don't seem to do that anymore. But you might like to see them. There, the wood miser, LT30, also known as the food miser, also known as the slush miser, is going to a new home. No, I'm not getting rid of it. It's going to the UP. Like, hopefully later today, if I can get my chores done around here. What do you think, buddy? Come here.
Gonna stay in this moment. Gonna lay here on the grass.
Where are we going?
We're going to a cabin.
I don't need to feel lonely. I am
Hey,
finally
dogs.
home at last.
Hey, Harley.
And I don't mind being gone on adventures for a while. No, no. 'Cause the best thing about it is I know I'm coming back. Oh, oh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone.
see if
Could
we
wear
can
a
see the water.
blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why I'm always feeling homesick. Oh, all I know, all I know, all I know is this is where my heart is. Oh, I have seen many places where the beauty never
The guy in front of me can go right on up to my place.
But I don't have to be chasing every dream that I have. Oh, no. 'Cause the thing is, I've got more love here than I can bear. Ooh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you.